Today, I want to talk about flowers. Flowers are very beautiful. They have many colors. Some flowers are red, yellow, pink, or white. I like roses. Roses smell very nice. Flowers need water and sunlight. People put flowers in gardens and homes. Many people give flowers as a gift. Flowers make people happy. One day, there was a small flower in a quiet garden. The flower was very small, and it felt sad sometimes. It looked at the big roses and the tall sunflowers. The small flower said softly, "They are so beautiful, but I am only a small flower." A sunflower heard this and smiled kindly. "Every flower is special," the sunflower said. But the small flower still felt unhappy. Then one morning, dark clouds came into the sky. Rain started to fall, and strong wind moved through the garden. The small flower was afraid. "I am too weak," it whispered quietly. After the rain stopped, a little girl came into the garden. She walked slowly between the flowers. Then, suddenly, she stopped near the small flower. Her eyes became bright. "What a beautiful little flower," she said happily. The small flower felt warm inside. Every day, the girl came back to the garden. She gave water to the flower and smiled at it kindly. Day after day, the flower became stronger. One evening, the sunflower asked gently, "Are you happy now?" The small flower smiled softly. "Yes, now I know something important. Small flowers can make people happy too." The wind moved gently, and all the flowers danced under the golden sun. And the little flower never felt lonely again. Now, I want to talk about flowers around the world. There are many kinds of flowers. Some flowers are small, and some flowers are very big. Roses are very popular. People love roses because they smell beautiful. Roses can be red, pink, yellow, or white. Tulips are also famous. They grow in many colors. People in the Netherlands love tulips very much. Japan has beautiful cherry blossom flowers. In spring, many people visit parks to see them. The trees look soft and pink. India has lotus flowers. The lotus grows on water. It is a very peaceful and beautiful flower. In Afghanistan, many gardens have lovely flowers too. People enjoy flowers in spring and summer. Sunflowers are tall and bright They turn toward the sun during the day. Flowers make parks, homes, and streets more beautiful. Many people take pictures of flowers. Some people give flowers as gifts for love and friendship. Flowers are small things, but they bring happiness to many people around the world. Flowers are very important in human life. People use flowers to show love, friendship, and kindness. When someone is happy, people give flowers as a gift. At weddings, many beautiful flowers are used. Flowers make the place look warm and joyful. Sometimes people are sad too, and flowers can bring comfort and peace. Many families grow flowers at home. They water them every day and enjoy their beauty quietly. Children like colorful flowers in parks and gardens. People often stop, smile, and take pictures of them. In many countries, flowers are part of culture and tradition. In Japan, people enjoy cherry blossoms in spring. Families and friends sit together under the trees. In the Netherlands, tulip fields are very famous. Many tourists visit to see the beautiful colors. In India, lotus flowers are special and peaceful. Flowers help people feel calm, relaxed, and happy. Even a small flower can change someone's day. Flowers do not speak with words, but they still share beauty, peace, and love with people around the world. In the end, flowers are more important than many people think. Flowers make the world colorful, beautiful, and peaceful. They help people feel calm after a long and difficult day, and they bring fresh air to homes and gardens. But flowers need good care to stay healthy. People should water flowers carefully every day. Flowers also need sunlight, clean soil, and fresh air. Dry leaves should be removed, and flowers should be protected from strong heat and cold weather. Planting more flowers in cities and homes is a very good idea. Flowers can make streets, parks, schools, and hospitals feel happier and more relaxing. People can also use flowers in better ways. Some flowers are used for natural perfume. Some are used for tea and medicine. Others are used for decoration during celebrations and special days. Flowers also help bees and nature stay healthy. When people protect flowers, they also protect nature and the beauty of the earth. Even a small flower can bring hope, peace, and happiness to someone's heart. That is why flowers should be loved, protected, and grown with care everywhere in the world. One spring morning, Tom was walking slowly in a quiet garden. The air was fresh, and flowers moved softly in the wind. Tom loved flowers very much, especially roses. Near the garden, he saw a girl holding small pink flowers. Her name was Lena. Lena smiled gently and said, "These flowers are beautiful today." Tom smiled too. Yes, they make people feel peaceful. After that day, Tom and Lena met many times in the garden. Sometimes they walked together quietly, and sometimes they talked about flowers from different countries. Lena loved tulips very much. Tom liked white roses. One evening, the sky became orange with the sunset. Lena looked at the flowers and said softly, "Flowers are like people. Some are strong, some are small, but every flower is special." Tom looked at Lena quietly and smiled warmly. The garden became silent. Only the sound of the wind could be heard. Then Tom gave Lena a small white rose. Lena looked surprised. "Is this for me?" Tom nodded slowly. "Yes, because you are special to me." Lena's face became red. She held the flower carefully and smiled with happiness. From that day, Tom and Lena always remembered the little garden, the soft wind, and the beautiful flowers that brought them together